If I switch my Xbox off, Peter don't like it. Yeah, I'm ready.
We gotta go. Just keep on looking behind you.
James, game starts in 3. Are we gonna spawn together?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I'm gonna stalk James. You lied to me. No, you didn't. Why are you guys midgets?
You got the weirdest eyes in the world. Your eyes.
Fuck you. I'm following whoever this.
What is that?
Hang on, James. Are you the skeleton dude?
No, I'm the skeleton.
Oh, I'm following Alien.
Following him anyway, so fuck running around on your own. We could run around, not pick it up, and then it don't go after us.
You can't run on this game, can you?
Sprint.
RT. Oh yeah, but it puts your flashlight down. Fuck this.
Again. Hey. Hey. I didn't get it last time. Come on. Yeah.
What do I do? Go up to this thing?
Hey. Now he's
Fuck.
after us. We're screwed, folks.
Don't like this shit. Turn my game volume down a bit.
We played this on hard, and he spawned in straight away.
Fuck being at the back. Being can be at the back.
Oh, it's better at the back. Fine. Find us?
Oh shit, there we go.
I got the next one though.
What is it?
Is there a green thing? Oh yeah, that's a green
Okay.
thing.
I'm looking at it in the side of my screen. What is it? Running to catch up with James. Hate this game. That's Bean. Oh, James, where'd you go? Oh, there you are.
Follow the
Bean.
yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road. Yellow brick road.
Where'd you go, James? James, where to next?
Around everywhere, really. I can hear him.
I can't. I don't know what he sounds like, so I can't. Dragonfire, Lord of the Rings. LOL. Oh, wow. I don't like this.
Dragonfire Lord of the Rings. What the hell? Dragonfire Lord.
Not Lord of the Rings, The Hobbit.
Even
The
one
first one.
Hobbit.
They say Dragonfire in the... Sorry. They say it's a fire drake from the north.
Oh yeah.
Can I get this one? And then it goes you, then it goes Bean. Alien. You rage.
Oh
Bean, have you found him?
No, I can just hear him.
I don't know. Cunt. You're going in first.
You are. He's out. He's out here anyway. So he's out here anyway. So what's the point going anyway?
Where'd you go, James? Oh, there you are. Why are we here?
Look around.
There must be a reason why our characters are...
There he is. There he is. Run, 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 run. He's behind us. Behind us. He's behind.
Was he like... Ow! I'm looking at him, he looks creepy. He's fucking with my screen.
Yeah, I know. Oh god, you stupid little... My mic fell out, so I was just like, oh, damn it. Oh, he's right in front of us. He's right in front of us. Run! Run! He's behind us now. No, he's everywhere. I'm screwed.
Does he make loud noises?
Yeah, you just hear like a little... Like...
Well, I don't see him.
I just hear that. There he is, behind us. Behind us, behind us, behind us.
Fuck being at the back.
You have to be at the back. Oh,
You-
he's getting closer. Run, run, run!
I've never played this game, Bean, so you be at the back.
Oh, I don't want to die. Yeah, he's really close now.
Go,
He's gonna grab
James!
me. He's gonna grab me now. He's gonna grab me. He's gonna grab me. He's gonna grab me.
Oh, fuck! He's to the side of us now, to the left.
Laughy grabs Ben. He's gonna grab Ben. Who is he?
Fuck no, I'm right by James. He was to our left, he's like behind left.
He's to our right. He's to our right. He's to our right. He's to our right.
Doesn't matter who grabs it, just fucking grab it and run.
Oh, red. Oh, green thing.
Bean, you're leaving up. Bean, you're walking off on your own.
Don't even know where we're going.
I'm fucking sticking with James. James, just run, you fat chode.
He's right behind us. He's right behind us. He's right behind us.
What do you mean you're just about to die?
If he dies, you do know, if you die, we're screwed basically. Here we are. No, I'm probably won't screw, but Ben is. And we'll turn around and die straight away. Oh, he's behind us. He's behind us.
Run, James. Where's the last tape?
Go down this path. Go down this path. Go down this path now. What's this? This way. Go. Screwed. Screwed up. Fuck. I can't catch up.
Just run, James.
What? Yes, I can't catch up with you. The character's so slow. Oh, he's right in front of us. Oh my god, run! Ah! Run!
Hey, James, are you recording voice? Okay. Don't like scary maps. Where?
Where?
James, where are you? I've lost you, James.
This way.
He's gonna kill me. He's gonna fucking kill me.
Oh, he's right behind us. He's right there. Right. Yeah, pick it up because he's right behind me. He's gonna kill me.
Let me pick up James.
Just pick it up. I don't care. I'm gonna die.
Yeah, we win.
He's gonna eat our faces now.
Oh shit.
Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Ah! Let's see our track. Yeah, one. Replay.
Replay, lol. It's like the derpiest tutorial ever.
Back to start again. And round and back to start again.
What are all those question marks?
Have you seen it? Seen it? Where you seen it?
Oh god. Yeah, that's when Bean buggered off by himself. I don't like that. That's horrible. Scary. And you don't get any achievements, so it's shit.